Hi there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to receive money on PayPal, whether someone's sending you payment for a product, service, or just sending money as a gift. PayPal makes it simple. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing, set up your PayPal account. If you don't have yet, go to paypal.com or open the app and sign up for a personal or business account. And after that, just confirm your email address and click your bank or card to receive or withdraw funds. So to receive money, just give the sender your PayPal email address or your PayPal.me link if set up. For example, someone sends to your name at example.com or paypal.me/your name. So in order for you to do that, wait for the money to arrive. You'll get an email notification and app alert when someone sends you money. The funds will appear in your PayPal balance. So keep it in for PayPal for online purchases or withdraw to your bank account, debit card, or request a check. To receive money, just give the sender your PayPal email address. To know your PayPal address from home, go to this gear icon and then you will be rerouted in this page. Just scroll down a little bit and you can see here the email that you used when you sign up for the PayPal. So just copy your email and then send it to the sender that wants to send you money. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.